This AI made me over $10,000 in one single month. So what I'm about to show you actually made me $26,869 last month using this process I'm about to show you. And I know multiple people using the same process. Now, what I'm going to show you today is the backwards AI method that's quietly generating over $10,000 per month, why most people are doing it completely wrong, why traditional AI content is dead, and the surprising 10-minute method that's replacing this. And it flies in the face of everything that you've been taught. Additionally, here's a weird one for you. I'm going to show you how my traffic went from 500 visitors a month to over 25,100 visitors in just 1 month. It wasn't from blogging, it wasn't from backlinks, but it's from a completely backwards method of using AI that nobody's talking about. Now, what I'm about to show you seems counterintuitive at first, but whilst everyone's burning hours writing AI blog posts, I stumbled upon a method that's actually generating over $10,000 monthly with just 10 minutes work. And I'm going to reveal all the secrets in terms of how we're using AI backwards versus everyone else. And finally, I want to show you exactly how to implement all of this yourself with step-by-step SOPs and tutorials and prompts guiding you through it. And if you want all the video notes from today, all the SOPs, all the templates, etc., the link's inside the comments description, or just scan this QR code and you get instant access to it. All right, let's kick off. So first of all, we're going to cover the backwards AI method that's quietly generating over $10,000 per month and why most people are doing SEO completely wrong. So what you can see here is a chart from a brand new website, and this was just started from 0 on October the 29th. Now, you got 535 clicks in its first month, and everyone thinks SEO is doing blog content, but it's so backwards because actually what converts the best and what ranks the best is not your traditional blog content. I mean, as an example of this, right? So you got this new site, whoop-de-doo, we've got 500 clicks in 1 month. But is that going to scale us to like $10,000 per month? Probably not, right? Whereas, for example, if we switch over and we look at this YouTube SEO channel, you can see here we've got 25,000 views from YouTube directly. Now, when you're creating videos, it's 10 times more powerful than if you create a blog post. And I'll explain the reason why. So number one, video content ranks really well. So for example, this is a brand new channel, right? This is not my main channel. We started it from scratch. It's only got 484 subscribers. And if we check the analytics, you can see here that it's grown to 25,000 views. So anyone could do this because this is a brand new channel. Now, if we look, for example, on Google and we see what's ranking, typically Google is now preferring videos, right? Videos rank a lot better than actual blog posts. Not only that, you don't need any backlinks and you don't need to pump out fluffy, spammy content. You can use the 10-minute method that I'll show you in a second. And even for super competitive, high value keywords like SEO Black Friday, obviously people are looking to spend a lot of money. You can see me ranking #1 in just 24 hours using the process I'm about to show you. And I'll show you how we actually rank content along the way. Now, the other cool thing about YouTube is that you do not need to show your face. If you look, for example, at this video that got 118,000 views a year ago, I did not show my face on this. It was recorded with a $20 mic. You don't need to do any fancy editing, and it was recorded using AI. I'm going to show you exactly how that works and break down the step-by-step process. But basically, if you can get 25,000 views instead of 500 views in your first month, are you going to make more money using AI? Absolutely. And that's what I'm going to break down. And then it's really simple. In every single video, you either direct people to whatever you sell, or you direct them to an affiliate link, or you monetize your channel with ads. So if you get 50 times the amount of clicks that you get from SEO on your video channel and you do it in the same amount of time, isn't that going to make you more money? So for example, 500 times 50, that equals 25,000. We got 500 clicks here. We got 25,000 views here. Which one's going to make us more money? Obviously, it's going to be YouTube, right? And so let me break down the method and exactly how it works when it comes to SEO. Because if you understand, you're going to be ahead of 99% of SEOs, right? So whilst everyone else is fighting over the same blog keywords, there's a massive untapped goldmine in video SEO that basically no one understands. And I stumbled across this by accident just by testing this new channel this month. And I was like, whoa, the difference is astounding. And the craziest part is once you've got the system set up, it only takes about 10 minutes to create content that ranks in multiple places, right? So for example, if you look at this channel, it's going to rank on Google, it's going to rank on YouTube, and it's going to rank inside AI as well. You can see my video at the top right here from this brand new channel right here. And you can see additionally inside the AI answer, you rank it, and inside the sources as well as the source in the top right. It's too easy, but 99% of people don't know about this or aren't doing it, right? Now, I'm not the only one. I know multiple other people silently using this method, but I want to share it with you. And here's the catch. If you're doing video SEO the traditional way, you're actually hurting your chances of success because you're moving 50 times slower, right? If I'm competing with this website and this is what I'm competing with, then I'm moving 50 times faster than you. So no wonder people get frustrated and lost along the way when they're doing YouTube SEO. Additionally, and in this video, I'm going to show you the exact backwards method that's working right now before everyone else catches on, right? I'm showing you this stuff first. So here's the process, right? And it's the same for SEO. So whether you're doing SEO or whether you're doing video, you're going to take a keyword, and from that keyword, you're going to record like a 10-minute video explaining exactly what you're talking about, right? So if you look at this video right here, it's just 11 minutes long. And all it is what I'm doing exactly now, which is just recording my screen using Descript with a great hook, right? As an example of that, this is my hook that I created today. And if you want to know exactly how I did the hook, this is literally it. I just said, give me a few hooks for this, Dan Kennedy style, so that people have to watch the video to see what it's about. And it works because he's still watching this video, right? So that is a prompt that you can use for your idea that you're going to create a video about. Then for the content, just about 10 minutes long, remove any silence and filler, make it very actionable. The more you can show people something they've never seen before, aka, for example, showing that YouTube grows 50 times faster than a website, the more you can blow their minds and help them, right? And then you're going to edit the content inside Descript. Now, this is really, really easy to do. So let me show you exactly what this looks like once you've recorded a screen share inside Descript. So you go inside Descript right here, we'll pull up an example, and then from here, you can just auto edit your content. So you can remove the filler words, remove the retakes, shorten the word gaps, improve the audio, and it all takes one single click. It's way faster than editing a blog post. And then for the thumbnail, you just need to make it attention-grabbing, relevant, and interesting, right? Now, if you want to steal the templates from me, you can get that directly here. And again, link in the comments and description to the video notes, or just scan this. And once you've done that, you'll find the videos inside the AI SEO Success Lab, inside the feed down here. Now, for the actual title, you can steal the free custom GPT from me that actually automates the title idea for you. As an example of that, this title right here was automated using exactly the same process. You take your idea, you go into the custom GPT, which is free to use even if you don't have a subscription. And then from here, you would just plug in the idea that you have, right? And then it's going to give you a bunch of triggering headlines that you can use on YouTube to get the best possible title. And by the way, if you like tools like this, I actually have 50 of them inside the AI SEO Success Lab that will help you automate content creation, social media, keyword research, link building systems, free consultations, sales copywriting, make.com automations, agencies. And this is all my best stuff. This is like years of work just collated into one amazing set of tools that you would normally pay thousands of dollars for, right? Scan to get access. So when it comes to recording Descript, all you do is you record your screen for 10 minutes, you do a nice introduction, you make nice actionable content, you edit it in one click, you automate the thumbnail using the templates that I've given you right here, and then you can automate the title in one click as well. And then you just publish to YouTube, right? You upload it, boom, shakalaka, you've got the title, you got the thumbnail, you got the content, and that's what I do every single day to achieve results like this. So as promised, I've shown you the backwards AI method that's quietly generating $10,000 a month in income and why most people are doing it completely wrong. Now that was part one. Now let's move on to part two, all right? This is why traditional SEO content is dead and the surprising 10-minute method that's replacing it, right? And this is how you can basically do everything backwards. So most people, they're going out there, they're creating SEO content, they're spending ages on that. It takes ages. Now let me show you the method that helps me rank on Google using the same content I created in step one, right? So what we can actually do, if for example, you check out this post, is we can take the video transcript from our videos that's already going to rank really, really well and get a lot of traction. And then we can use that as information gain because you're talking about something new inside your video to craft a blog about the same topic like you can see right here. So this blog post is based on this video and it ranks on Google as I've just shown you. Now, I'll come on to exactly how I do that in a minute, but let me show you here, right? Let's be honest, right? AI has pretty much made traditional blog content worthless because anyone with ChatGPT can just pump out like 100 blogs a day. And the thing is, whilst everyone's flooding the internet with blog posts, they're pretty much missing the real opportunity. So I discovered this by accident. Videos get much higher conversion rates than traditional blog posts. And the reason is because people trust what they can see. That's why you're still listening to this video, right? AI can basically write blog posts. It cannot replicate your personality, your expertise, and your experiences. Really all it's doing when it creates content is creating like a spinning machine using what's already out there. Whereas when you do a video, you're creating your unique perspective inside a video, which creates information, which separates your content. Now, the secret here is that once you compare it to tweaking AI blog posts, you can create a high converting video using step 1 inside this document in 10 minutes. And the thing is, Google was actually favoring video content because it's harder to fake and shows real expertise. That's why this channel is doing so well, right? And the thing is, this compounds over time. So if we look at this channel, for example, you can see here in November, we got 25K views. If we look in October, we got 324 views. The growth over time compounds very, very quickly. Now, I tested this with this channel and multiple other channels, and video is working really well. And the most shocking part is the traffic comes way faster, and it's so easy to do in this process right here. Now, what you can also do once you've recorded that video, if we go back to our example right here. So if we take in this video and we're like, right, I want to rank for SEO Black Friday. What we can do is we can actually create really nice blog posts directly inside here. So if we click on draft a blog post, we can put in our keyword, for example, SEO Black Friday. And then we can say, write as first person student Goldie SEO. So it's written uniquely to me and my business. Semantically optimize it, write it nicely. Here's some CTAs to include, etc. And if we hit submit like so, we can still create the SEO content that we're going to rank, but it's got actual information gain because there's new information inside the script that a ChatGPT blog post could never create, right? Could never create that. And so if we go inside this Markdown Live Preview.com, you can see here's the article from Descript. We created it in one single click and it was super easy. Plus it actually reads much nicer than your average sort of ChatGPT blog, and it has internal links plus nice formatting. Now, some people at this point might be saying, okay, but isn't AI content spam? And I would say not if it's created on the humanized content you've already produced inside a video. So as an example of this, you can see here's a blog post that's ranking, and it's like, right, I just dropped a video that will show you how to use Perplexity SEO and claim that coveted #1 spot. No fluff, just a step-by-step blueprint, skyrocket your rankings with cutting-edge AI, absolutely free, right? This intro paragraph reads 10 times better than most blogs that you're going to read, right? It's actually very interesting to read, and it's got some really interesting stuff inside the article. And you can use this prompt inside the video notes to create similar sort of content. And then you just use my quality control process, as you can see right here, to make it even better. So step by step, you can make sure that you're not creating spammy content and you're actually creating something of value that's going to help people in just a few clicks because you've got such good content in the first place from your video, right? And doing this as well is going to create multiple assets for your business because video is basically powering your whole business, right? So we're basically doing this backwards. So most SEOs, they create a blog, they wait like 6 to 9 months to get ranked, and they'll think about social media last, right? They might think about that after 2 or 3 years of running the business. That's the old way. And it doesn't really work because if your website gets clapped, which we've seen with every single update, even if you're a good site, even if you have a quality site, you can still get clapped. You can still get hit by a Google update. And that 6 to 9 months is basically totally wasted. And then when it's too late, you start thinking about social media, right? Here's the new way. You create a video, you get traffic from day one, not from 6 to 9 months later. You create a blog from that video, and you can create multiple versions of the same blog. So you can create, for example, if I just want to create a new blog post and post that on, say, LinkedIn or Reddit or Medium, etc., then I can do that over and over again using the same process, right? And it will create multiple different versions that are unique of the same video content, not from 6 to 9 months later, not when your website starts getting clapped and you start thinking about social media, etc. You get it from day one, as already shown you on that new channel that I built. Super powerful process. No one does this stuff, but they will do in the future. And that's basically the 3-step process to implement all of this yourself, right? So you record the videos for Descript, that takes 10 minutes. You create the blog post, it takes 1 click in Descript, and then you quality control it using my checklist. And then you can get ranked in multiple ways, start getting traffic from day one, and stop worrying about how to grow your business or how to make money, etc. So just to recap here, I've shown you, as promised, the backwards AI method that's quietly generating $10,000 a month in income. Actually, it's more than that, I've already shown you, and why most people are doing this completely wrong. I've shown you why traditional AI content is dead and the surprising 10-minute method that's basically replacing it. And it flies in the face of everything that everyone else has been taught because you're using this method right here rather than the old way, which just doesn't work anymore. I've also shown you how my traffic went from 500 visitors a month on the old channel to 25,000 visitors a month on the new method. And it wasn't from blogging, from backlinks. It was completely backward because instead of starting over here, we start over here. And I know too, a lot of SEOs, this seems completely counterintuitive, but it works and it stops you burning hours creating crappy blog posts that nobody cares about, all right? Now, if you want all the video notes, all the SOPs, all the tips, all the templates, all the prompts, etc. from today, you can get access to it using this code right here, or just check the link in the comments description to the AI SEO Success Lab. And inside there, you're going to get access to a community of 1,200 SEOs just like you. You're going to get access to 50 free AI SEO tools that save you thousands of dollars, You'll learn how to rank #1 with AI SEO, how one client grew his SEO from 0 to 120,000 euros per month. You'll learn how to make $150,000 per month with partnerships, as you can see right here. You'll learn how another SEO Elite Circle member made $10,000 with ChatGPT, and how Don went from 0 to SEO empire in just a few months. So just scan that QR code or click the link in the comments description and you get free instant access to that. Additionally, if you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to get that link in the comments description. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visitors a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales. And on this free link building acceleration session, you'll get a free SEO domination plan to discover the secrets of link building. We'll answer any questions you have. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building, how to 10x your SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Additionally, we do have this deal still running. We extended it for a little bit longer because some people requested us to keep the deal open. So if you type in the coupon code ELITE, link in the comments and description to the SEO Elite Circle, you can save $2,600 and you'll grab this for a bargain price of $997. It comes with live coaching with me, a one-to-one onboarding call. You get DMs with me directly. It comes with all my best courses, plus weekly action plans to get the same results that are working for me right now. So you can see all the courses in here, including a YouTube SEO course. If you want to get results, you can join the coaching calls, ask me any questions, you can DM me, or you can watch this YouTube SEO course based on how I got millions of views using YouTube SEO. Thanks for watching. Appreciate